road was hot.
Yo, beautiful. Dip it.
Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking. As seen in the title, today we'll be making some rum and raisin and chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. So if that sounds interesting, stick around. You see, after the intro, we get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
And we are back. In today's video, I'll be making some oatmeal rum and raisin chocolate chip cookie. Two versions, right? With the help of course, my son Jamie from It's Jam Time.
Yeah.
Listen, so we're going to be making some oatmeal cookies. So you can gather the kids, gather the ingredients and follow us along. So without further delay, let's get right into this video. So the first ingredients you're going to be needing is of course half cup of oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We have half cup of granulated sugar, half cup brown sugar, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 whole egg, 1/4 cup of shortening, half cup of margarine or butter. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and of course the star of the show, half cup of dark chocolate chip.
Yep.
And then right here, we're gonna be using a 1/4 cup of raisins soaked in 2 tablespoons of rum and 2 tablespoons of water. And this has been soaking for over a month now. The aroma is beautiful. Let's get cooking. First up, we're gonna cream our butter and shorten it. Drop the butter in. And ensure that your butter and shortening are at room temperature. That way, it's easier to work. Come in.
Okay.
Put in your shortening. Go, bring it over. Don't scoop it out until you reach over the boat. In. Yep. Beautiful.
Wait, are we just gonna put everything? Even the chocolate chip?
No, not yet.
Okay.
So what you want to do, close this down, lock it. So what you want to do now, you want to just whip the butter a little bit just to get it softened.
Whip.
You start off at low speed and then you gradually increase that. Alright, so you see start beat the butter. Turn it off for a second because we don't have that much and the bowl is big. You want to scrape down the sides of the bowl as you go along. Pour the sugar in. Shake it. Nice. Give me this. Next one. So we're going to add our sugar now into our butter. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing the creaming method. What you want to do is to remove the crystals from the sugar and have it into a nice fluffy whipped butter. So that can take anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. So close again on low speed because if you go on high speed that will splash out all the ingredients from your bowl and you don't want that. So we're going to start off from about 1 and then we gradually increase the speed. Nice. You see that?
What else?
So you see you have lumps of sugar because this sugar was a little bit lumpy from the get-go. What you want to do now, we're going to stop that and then we're going to always when you're baking, always scrape down the side of the bowl. This will prevent uneven baking as well as to properly distribute all your ingredients. If you don't scrape down the sides of your bowl, chances are the ingredients won't mix out properly. Alright, scrape down, back again. 2, yeah, 2 now. Up to 8. Yeah, 8. Yeah. Alright, so this is starting to cream. Let me show you what that looks like. The sugar crystals are starting to melt. Come in, I mean, I cook together. I'm a sous chef and you're gone. Okay, so there we go. The sugar crystals are melting, and if you realize, this is now becoming like icing, because that's how icing is basically made, but from powdered sugar and butter, right?
You know how to make icing too? Bro.
So that's how you basically make icing. Okay, so once you have your butter and sugar properly creamed, now we're going to whisk out that 1 egg. Yeah. Alright, come now. We're going to add that to this now. Stop. Yep.
Nice and creamy.
It's getting nice and fluffy, right? Go on again. Stop. All of that. Throw all of that in. Stop that for a second. Remember, always scrape down your bowl.
I don't think the channel has seemed to me in the video in a while. Like more time cooking to the video.
Alright. So now we're gonna add our vanilla. Alright, so while that's going, we're going to sift our flour into our oatmeal. Come. Add in the flour. So we're going to sift our flour into the oatmeal. We're gonna go into our baking soda. So we add all the dry ingredients together right now. Add in our salt.
Cinnamon powder.
In. Nice.
Baking soda.
Yep. Nice. And then now sift. So how you sift, you hold this, you use one hand. Don't bring it too far out the bowl, you just do this. And tap it on your hand like that.
Okay.
Go on.
Like that?
No, don't move your hand, keep your hand in one place. You're going to move this sift. So tap it on your hand. Yeah. So you see it shake out. So what you want to do, you want to sift this to remove any lumps from the flour as well as the spices. Because you don't want to be biting into your cookie and you bite on a piece of cinnamon or you bite on a piece of dried flour, right? So you sift that out properly. That will help you to evenly distribute all the spices, right? Grab yourself a spatula.
Okay.
And we're just going to mix that in. We'll always hold the bowl so it don't move. Mix it in. So we'll mix that in to incorporate all our dry ingredients. Hold the bowl. Scrape it, yeah? Nice. Alright. So we have our baking tray here, as well as one of those reusable grease paper. Keep that there. Mix it in. Nice, that's good. At this point, you would add all your chocolate chip, but because we're going to be making two versions, we're going to mix in everything, all the dry ingredient to the wet ingredient. Then we're going to separate those, and then we're going to add half chocolate chip as well as half raisins, right? So put that to the side, bring this back. Yeah. So come now, lift up the bowl, get the spoon, add it in there. So we're going to gradually add our dry ingredients into the wet.
Oh.
It's okay, that's why I always tell us to go close. It's okay,
Sorry.
man. Make it stay, it's okay.
That's fine if I have that stuff on it.
Yeah, make it stay, come.
But it's going with it, right?
Add one more. Go close. Close, yep. Alright. No more. So we're going to add this gradually, the dry ingredient gradually, and mix.
Yeah.
Add more now. Hold the bowl. Always hold the bowl with one hand so it don't move. Yep. Go close. Go on. In there. Yep. So we don't want to over mix this. You put that on a very low speed. Go ahead. Add that in. Alright. Nice. Stop that. And of course, we're good to go. So we're just gonna scrape the whisk. Get out all the ingredients.
If people only watch S'mores time cooking, you probably haven't seen me in so long.
Yeah. No, you're coming. You're coming whenever time you taste this food.
Yeah.
Right? You normally come sometime at the end of the video. Then.
Yeah, it's my so.
Put this in a sink. We're almost there. So just clean down with equipment, you know. So scrape down the side of the bowl, hold the bowl, hold the handle, and scrape the side. Stop holding the spatula like you're afraid of it. Hold it. So you have more power. Look, when I do this, your hand just hold it firm grip and scrape. Go on. Firm grip like a pencil type of vibe. Scrape down the side, yeah. I want to separate this into two bowls because again I'm going to be doing rum and raisin as well as that chocolate chip. So we're going with half the amount. Once you have the batter made up, you can separate it at this time if you're going to be doing two different cookies. He's going to add, I think that's too much, you know. You know what? Add it. It's okay, have fun. Go ahead, add that. So you're gonna add to one, yeah, to anyone, that one, over the side there. So add that in. So the chocolate chip in, and I have my soaked raisins in rum. Right? I'm gonna try to get as much as the liquid off because we don't want to change the texture of the batter. Hold on, John, please. I'm going to go into about a quarter cup of this raisin. So you do not want to over mix it, so we're just going to gradually mix that in to incorporate the raisins all throughout our cookie dough.
I'm going to mix it in now.
Come close. Yep, hold the bowl properly. No, no, you hold the spoon. You hold like you stab somebody. Yeah, that. Yeah, you hold like you. Hold the spoon
Like
better,
right,
man. Yeah, not like that. Hold the spoon. Let me see. Look at me. Look. Make the spoon push out at the end of your little finger. Don't do this. Well, that's your way, but just do this. Have it so, and scoop it, and then do this. Go on. Mix it, mix it now. Hold the bowl.
I don't like it. It feels weird.
Alright, do it how you're comfortable. Go on. Once it mixed in, we're good. Pull in at the middle. Alright. Scrape up the bottom of the bowl. Try to keep it one place. Come on, yo. Hold it right there. Try to keep it one place. Go on. Alright, grab our baking tray now. We have our rum and raisin oatmeal cookie right there. And we have our chocolate chip cookie right there. Okay, so you grab yourself an ice cream scoop or a spoon. And we're just going to scoop up a little bit. And we're going to pop that right onto our baking tray. You want to leave enough space at the corners of the baking tray just so it can have room to expand, right? So just like so. One right there. And when we use the ice cream scoop, we get even cookies. So 2, I'm going to be doing about 3 per row. Scrape to the bowl, yep, lift up. And then start yours right there, so. Look on mine. See me have a little space. Around the corner, squeeze it. Bro, squeeze it, squeeze. Don't lift up, just squeeze it. Squeeze that, yeah. And lift up now, yeah. There we go. Alright. So you try to get even amount, that's good. It's only called beet roux.
How does that work? Like, how does it do? Oh,
because you have a little thing that slides it out.
That's sick.
See how you cookie. Go on. So 3 per row. That's good. Beautiful. Alright, give me this.
Wait, chocolate chip. Let's see how the dough tastes.
Right.
It's actually really good.
Alright. So there we have it. We have
What?
6 of the chocolate chip. And we have 5 of our rum and raisin. And we're going to pop this in our preheated oven at 375 degrees. We're going to go for 10 to 15 minutes or until they're nice and brown. Crispy on the outside, nice and chewy on the inside. Let's go.
Okay.
Watch your foot. Back up. I'm going to put this on the middle rack.
Yep. I should have at least said yep. Yeah, cool.
Timer. So we're going to set 50. We'll do the timer on that. Yeah, and then what we're going to do now, we're going to wash the dishes. Wash it, back up. How are you, man?
I was just like this. Yes!
And there we go. So what we did for the first 15 minutes, we had those in the oven on 375, and then we turned it up to 400 degrees for the next 3 minutes. I still have a bit of time and I cancel that out. So in total, we baked this for about 18 minutes. And there we go. Perfect. The chocolate chip cookies, they're looking good. These are the perfect color. You don't want to get them to this color where it's too brown, because then it's going to be too chewy. And there we go. So we're going to allow this to cool down a little bit. And then, Jamie's favorite moment, eat them. So right now we're going to stop, turn off the oven, and allow everything to cool down. Finish doing up the dishes, and then we're going to dig in. Stop playing sitting there, man. You hungry? Wait, because we're going to make a thumbnail. Your backside. Look how the work in here, because you love, I'll go for your camera, your laptop. Set this to the side if you go and cool down. And there you have it. How to make chocolate chip
cookies
at home. Now we're going to give it a taste test.
Mine.
This one I feel.
Yeah, my chocolate chip cookies are right here.
Jesus, nice and soft.
Yo, can I?
Relax on you. Hold it.
Yo, okay, Aaron, taste test time.
Let me see what you think about feel. You know, I'm taste feel before for me. What it taste? My mouth around water.
Yo, beautiful. Dip it. Dip it in the milk. it tastes really good.
Crispy and then nice and soft inside. So I guess my old recipes do work. Nice.
Does it taste like how it tastes when you're...
Me personally though, I don't eat a lot of sweet stuff anymore. Even when I'm making my natural drinks, I don't put sugar or probably a little bit of honey in my tea. I just drink my tea as is, just sip my tea. But honestly, it's a perfect cookie.
Daddy never ate a lot of sugar.
Yeah, if you like a nice chewy cookie, this is it. You see what I say? You can take your milk. Ah, see them? That recording, the milk balances out everything here. In case you're my raisin, you know.
You need half of that.
Mine look ugly. The Jamie look, oh. Yeah, I brought one really one into the video. It's okay. Oh my god. Wait, yeah, man. I'm showing you how fluffy it is inside. When I jump that back. Over to it. Yo! Cheers this.
It's like me eat lemon.
Cheers this. Just taste rum and raisin one. Don't dip in on it.
Okay.
Tell me prefer, wait, you tell me which one you prefer. If you prefer yours or this.
Well, it has rum in it.
But the rum cook off. So it's not bad. It's not like me I give direct rum. Rum cook off, just try it. When he touch the rum, I just flavor you get. You're not get drunk. Because you eat fruit cake, but you can't eat too much of it. How that taste?
That tastes really good.
Yo.
But not better than mine.
I'm not gonna lie. Seem good. Mine, I think mine, what could I use a little bit to make more crisp on mine? But other than that, proper.
Your Santa would love this.
And there you go. How to make your very own rum and raisin oatmeal cookie. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. You see what I said? So if you enjoy this and you love my vibe, hit subscribe and don't forget to follow my sous chef Jamie at It's Jam Time. Check out his channel. He upload videos every other week or so. Sometimes he uploads every week. But check him out, he edits his own videos and do his own thing. Just encourage him to just continue doing, putting out positive videos and just enjoy the process. That's what I say. So once again, you know, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel on the gravel.
And go and big up on yourself.
You know the vibe. Boy, you should not eat too much cookie, you know. You have to go left and show your brother.
Yeah.
Boy, I love cookie, but you can't get no rum and raisin.
Yeah.